नमस्ते, खुश रहो बिटिया. I JVN, Dr. Ashok Kumar Jain, FPD Department from Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Now the topic is BPT 6 SEM Pediatric Tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is a potentially fatal contagious disease that can affect almost any part of the body but is mainly an infection of the lung. Neo Latin words tubercles and round noodles या swelling causes any condition. कॉजेटिव ऑर्गेनिज्म है माइकोबैक्टीरियम ट्यूबरकुलोसिस ह्यूमन में और माइकोबैक्टीरियम बोविस एनिमल के अंदर. अदर कॉजेटिव एज ऑर्गेनिज्म माइकोबैक्टीरियम अफ्रीकेनम माइकोबैक्टीरियम माइकोटी नॉन माइकोबैक्टीरियम जीनस माइकोबैक्टीरियम लेप्राई माइकोबैक्टीरियम एवियम व माइकोबैक्टीरियम एसिटिकम. Mycobacterium tuberculosis characteristic gram positive oblique aerobe non spore forming non motile rod mesophyll 0.22.6 into 24 square slow generation. Classification pulmonary TB primary disease व secondary disease व extra pulmonary lymph node TB pleural TB TB of upper airways skeletal TB genito urinary TB miliary TB pericardial TB gastrointestinal TB tuberculous meningitis the less common form. In 2011 in 2011 there were an estimate 8.7 million incidence case of TB globally. It's equivalent to 1 to 5 cases 125 cases in 1 lakh पॉपुलेशन. एशियन 59% होता है, अफ्रीकन 26%, एस्टर्न मेडिस्टर्न रीजन 7.7%, यूरोपियन रीजन 4.3% और रीजन ऑफ द अमेरिका 3%. Spread of tuberculosis. How is TB spread? Coughing without covering the mouth, crowd place with poor ventilation, spitting everywhere. Severe symptom persistent cough, chest pain, coughing with bloody sputum, shortness of breath, urine dislocation, cloudy reddish urine, fever with chill, fatigue. Type pulmonary TB. Primary tuberculosis, the infection of an individual who has not been previously infected or immunized, is called primary tuberculosis or Gowon's complex or childhood tuberculosis. Lesion forming after infection is peripheral and accompanied by hillour which may not be detectable on chest radiography. Secondary tuberculosis, the infection that individual who has been previously infected or sanitized is called secondary or post-primary or in reinfection or chronic tuberculosis. Extrapulmonary TB. 20% of patient of the TB patient affected site in body are lymph node TB, tuberculous lymph adenitis seen frequently in HIV infected patient. Symptom painless swelling of lymph nodes most commonly at cervical and supraclavicle. Systemic systems are limited to HIV infected patient. Pleural TB involvement of pleura is common in primary TB and result from penetration of tubercle bacilli into pleural space. TB of upper airway, involvement of larynx, pharynx, and epiglottis. Symptom dysphagia, chronic productive cough, genitourinary TB. 50% of all extrapulmonary cases, any part of the genitourinary tract get infected. Symptom urinary frequency, dysuria, hematouria, skeleton TB, involvement of weight bearing part like spine, hip, knee. Symptom pain in hip joint, in knee swelling or knee trauma. Gastrointestinal TB, involvement of any part of GI tract. Symptom abdominal pain, diarrhea or weight loss. TB meningitis and tuberculoma. 5% of all extrapulmonary TB result from hematogenous speed of first degree to second degree TB. TB pericarditis. 1 to 8% of all extrapulmonary TB cases spread mainly in mediastinal or hilar node or from lung. Military or disseminated TB, sorry, miliary or disseminated TB result from hematogenous spread or tubercle bacilli. Spread is due to entry of infection into pulmonary vein producing lesion in different extrapulmonary site. Less common extrapulmonary TB, phenophthalmitis, phthalmitis, painful hypersensitivity related. uh, Diagnosis: bacteriological test, Gill Nelson stain, fluorescence microscopy, sputum culture test, radiography, chest X-ray, nucleic acid amplification, specific and identification severe several hours, low in sensitivity, high cost, most useful for the rapid confirmation of tuberculosis in person with FPV positive sputa. Utility: tuberculin skin test, injection of fluid into the skin of the lower arm, 48 to 72 hours later check for a reaction. Diagnosis is based on the size of the vein. Other biological examination: cell count, lymphocyte, protein, panty and rivalry test, ascite, pleural effusion and meningitis. Prevention measure: mask, BCG vaccine, regular medical follow-up, isolation of patient, ventilation, natural sunlight, UV germicidal irradiation. BCG vaccine, Bacilli calmette-guerin, first used in 1921. Only vaccine available today for protection against tuberculosis. It is most effective in protecting children for the disease. Given 0.1 ml intradermally. Duration of protection 15 to 20 years. If efficacy of 0 to 80% should be given to all healthy infant as soon as possible after birth, unless the child presented with symptomatic HIV infection. Thank you.